What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why Thrive Leads is the best lead collection software out there.
Number 5. Okay, reason number 5 is Thrive Leads connects with your email autoresponder seamlessly. You just click on the opt-in box after you create it, click edit, and there's a ton of different email autoresponders you can use. I use Aweber. Just connect it to your list and click continue. Next, and you can have the lead go to any link of your choice after they opt in and click save. It's that easy. Number 4. Number 4 is a big one. Display on exit intent. All you got to do is click this button and click on smart exit. What does this mean? Well, when your traffic is leaving your website, when the mouse is going to the X or to another tab or something like that, your opt-in box will display, giving you another chance to collect that lead. Number 3. Okay, reason number 3, pre-made templates. That's right, you can have an opt-in box ready to go in seconds. Check this out. Let's say I want a scroll mat type, in the kind that overtakes your website. Then you're gonna click add. So this is how simple it is to use this software. Create form, name it hello. Then click edit. Then you're shown a opt-in menu of pre-made templates that you can use. Pick the one that works best for you. I'm gonna go with let's say this one. Let's say you have a niche blog about cycling for people over 40, and then you just have to type in what you want or what your lead magnet's all about. Get the 3 best cycling routes in Vancouver, in Miami, for example. I don't know. Just for example's sake. Just type in what you need. Put in your email to get them now. It's that simple. Number 2. Okay, reason number 2, A/B split testing. Super important to find out which of your lead capture pages, which of your lead capture opt-in boxes is performing the best, right? So let's say you have a lead capture page here. You click edit, very simple, very easy to do. And then you click clone, very important here. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. Click edit for the clone, and you're going to modify it just a little bit. And then you're going to run an A/B split test, and Thrive Leads will collect all the data for you, letting you know which of your opt-in boxes is performing best. Okay, so I have 2 opt-in boxes. They're exactly the same. They're clones. I'm going to change one just a little bit in order to see which one gets me the most opt-ins. Okay, so I'm gonna, instead of a hold up, I'm gonna put wait. And that's it. Click save. And click start A/B test. A/B test. Good, start test. And that's it. It's gonna run, it's gonna get traffic to my site, and it's gonna show both of these different opt-in pages to my traffic, and the one that gets the most opt-ins is the winner. And then I can do it again and again and again, A/B split test all the way down to find out to get an even sharper, an even higher converting lead capture page. That's the beauty of Thrive Leads. Number 1. Okay, for me, this is the most important one. Okay, check this out. This is Thrive Leads pricing. $147 for 15 websites you can add Thrive Leads to, $97 for 5 licenses, and if you just have one website and you want to use Thrive Leads on your website, that's only $67. The cool thing is this is a one-time fee. Now check out Thrive Leads competitors, okay? Opt-in Monster, a month, every month you got to pay for this. AppSumo, every month you got to pay for this, okay? Now you know the clear winner here is Thrive Leads. It does everything else that these big guys do. They have pre-made templates, they have A/B split testing, all the important features we covered already in this video, but it's a one-time cost, okay? Everything's push button. You create everything in seconds and you're ready to start collecting leads.